Hello everyone, myself Pratik Patil, student of second year mechanical from KBT COE College of Engineering Nashik. I am here to represent a role play activity of ion carbon phase diagram. Firstly, I will introduce my group members, myself Pratik Patil, Harsh More, Durvankur Pardeshi, Bansil Patel, Prathamesh and Sumit. Hello everyone, we the student of second year mechanical. We are here to play a role play activity based on iron carbon phase diagram. So myself Pratik Patil, roll number 30. I would begin with the first topic, cooling curve of pure iron. Myself, cooling curve of a substance. It is a graph of variations of the temperature with time and it allows us to allowed to cool. The gradients of my curve is related to the heat capacity, the thermal conductivity of the substance and the external temperature. The more heat is required to change the temperature of the substance. The slower it cools, so the gradients of my curve gets smaller. The transition happens at a specific temperature of most pure substance. For the time it takes for phase transition to occur, the temperature remains constant as my cooling is counter-reacted by the energy released by forming of new bonds in the substance. Because of this phase, the phase transition appears at a horizontal lines. As you know, as you can see my cooling curve for a pure substance, temperature against time t is shown. Now I have hand over the further presentation.
Myself, Harsh More, role number 27. I will play role of alpha ferrite. Myself, alpha ferrite. When the carbon percentage is 0.008%, I show maximum solubility as temperature increases 7 to 7 degrees Celsius. My solubility percentage increases in 0.025 degree percentage. That particular range I get an iron. It is nothing but myself alpha ferrite and I am soft ductile malleable. So the brittle hardness 80 bhn. That is why I get 763 degrees Celsius and below 768 degrees Celsius I become magnetic, but above 768 degrees Celsius become paramagnetic and I have BCC structure. Thank you. I will hand over the further presentation to Bansil Patel.
Hello, myself Bansil Patel, roll number 29. I will be playing role of delta ferrite. I am interstitial solute solution of carbon delta ion which at high temperature maximum concentration of carbon in percentage is 0.009% at 1493 Celsius. I also show similar structure as that of alpha ferrite but exist only at high temperature only and I have softest structure found in iron. Carbon phase diagram. Thank you. Now I will hand over further presentation to Durvankur Pardeshi.
Hi, myself Gurvankur Pardeshi, role number 28. I am here to play role of isocyanates. I am interstitial solid solution of carbon dissolved into FCC gamma ion. I have maximum solubility of carbon into ion at 1140 Celsius and carbon percent if 2%. I am not normally stable below 722 3 degrees Celsius. Hence, I am also not possible at room temperature. Thank you. Hand over to Smith.
Hello, my name is Sumit Shelar, role number 40, and I am playing a role of cementite. I am also known as iron carbide. I am very hard, brittle, intermetallic compound of iron and carbon. As I contain 6.67% carbon, I am hardest structure that appears on the diagram. Exact melting point unknown. My crystal structure is orthorhombic. I have low tensile strength but high compressive strength. Thank you.
I myself Prathamesh Bahare, role number 4. I will play a role of andesite. I am very hard from form of a steel crystalline structure. I am named after German metallurgist Adolf Martens. By analogy, the term can also refer to any crystal structure that is formed by diffusionless transformation. When FCC austenite is cooled at a very high rate, it produces fibrous or needle-like structure which is very hard and brittle. Thank you very much. Now I will hand over the further presentation to Pratik.
Now, thank you. Now, I will also play a role of critical temperature. Critical temperature, actually, I have five phases, which is A0, A1, A2, A3, and A4. Now, let's see one by one. A0 is the temperature of 210 degrees Celsius. This temperature at which cementite changes from a ferromagnetic to paramagnetic. So, this temperature is also known as my cementite. A1 is the temperature now. A1 is the temperature of 7 to 7 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature at which sunlight transfers to austenite. This temperature also known as lower my temperature. A2 is the temperature of 768 degrees Celsius. This temperature at which Fahrenheit changes from Ferrite changes from ferromagnetic to the paramagnetic. So this temperature also known as my temperature Ferrite. Also temperature is known as Cure temperature. Now A3 is the temperature range of 7 to 7 degrees Celsius to 1147 degrees Celsius. The temperature at which cementite dissolve in austenite. This temperature also known as upper my temperature by of Fahrenheit. Now A4 is the temperature range of 1147 degrees Celsius to 1493 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature at which austenite dissolves into alpha Fahrenheit. Now, thank you. Now my group members will enlighten you on the types of different phase transition. Now I will hand over to you, Harsh.
I will playing the role of monotic transformation. I am located at 723 degrees Celsius and at 0.83 carbon composition. At a constant liquid phase transform into a solid phase and liquid phase. Thank you.
I will be also playing role of Utoquid transformations, a metallurgical system when a solid phase transforms or decomposes into a two solid phases isothermally. It is known as Utoquid. Transformation which occurs at 723 Celsius temperature as shown in figure. Thank you.
I will also be playing role of third transformation, eutetic transformation. I am three-phase reaction by which on cooling liquid transforms into solid phase at same time. It's a phase reaction, but and also special one. Thank you.
I will also play a role of transformation. I am peritectic transformation, where a solid phase and liquid phase will together form a second solid phase at a particular temperature and composition. Thank you.
I will also play a role of fifth transformation, that is peritected transformation. I am peritected transformation. I am comparatively rare than type of invariant reaction where in the solid state of a material a phase A decomposes on heating into a mixture of two other phases B and C. So it's all. Thank you, and the further vote of thanks will be given by Pratik.
Thank you everyone. We will conclude the topic. Special thanks for Professor Nilesh Gaikwad sir for giving such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you sir and thank you everyone.